morning students. Today I am going to explain your lesson number 13 page 2 multiply and divide. Already I have explained this type of sums in the previous class. Okay. In your question 352 multiply 248. Okay. 352 is separated 300 plus 50 plus 2. And next number 240 is equal to 200 plus 40 plus 8. Okay, 300 plus 50 plus 2 and 200 plus 40 plus 8. Okay, 300 into 200, 3 2s are 6. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So, the answer is 60,000. And next number 300 into 40. Okay, 300 into 40, 10,000. And next number 300 into 8. Okay, 3 8s are 24, 2 zeros to 2,400. Next number 50 into 40. Okay, yes. Next number is 50 into 200. Okay, 50 into 200, 10,000. Next number 50 into 40. Okay, 40 into 50, 2,000. Next number 50 into 8. Okay, 50 8s are 400. Next number 2. Okay, 2 into 200. Okay, 200 into 2, 400. And 2 into 40. Okay, 40 2s are 80. Next number 2 into 8. 8 2s are 60. And 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 400 plus 12,000 plus 2,000 plus 80 plus 2,400 plus 400 plus 60 is equal to 87,296. Okay. 352 into 248 equal to 87,296. Understood? And next number 439 multiply 147. Okay, 439 is separated 400 plus 40 plus 9. And 147 equal to 100 plus 40 plus 7. Okay. And 400 plus 30 plus 9, 100 plus 40 plus 7. 400 into 100. Okay, 40,000. Next number 400 into 40. Okay, 400 into 40, 60,000. Next number 400 into 7. Okay, 400 into 7 is 2,800. And next 30 into 40. Okay, 30 into first 30 into 100. Okay, 30 into 100, 3,000. Next 30 into 40. Okay, 40 into 30, 12,000. Next into 30 into 7. Okay, 37 are 210. Next number 100. Okay, 9 into 100, 900. 9 into 40, 94 are 360. 9 into 7, 9 7s are 60. So 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 900 plus 16,000 plus 12,000 plus 360 plus 2,800 plus 210 plus 63. 64,533. Okay. 439 multiply 147 equal to 64,533. And next number 287 multiply 340. Okay. 287 equal to 200 plus 80 plus 7. 340 equal to 300 plus 14 plus 0. Okay, 300 into 200, 60,000, and 200 into 40, 8,000. 200 into 0, 0. Next number 80 into 300, 24,000. 80 into 40, 3,200. 80 into 0, 0. Okay, 80 zeros are 0. 7 into 300. Okay, 300 into 7, 2,100, and 7 into 40, 280. 47 are 280, and 4 zeros are 4 into 7. 7 zeros are 0. And 60,000 plus 24,000 plus 2,100 plus 80,000. 8,000 plus 3,200 plus 280 equal to 97,500. Okay, 287 multiply 340 equal to 97,500. And next number 364 multiply 187. Okay, so 300 plus 100, 30,000. 300 into 80, 24,000. 300 into 7, 2,100. Okay, 60 into 100, 60,000. Okay, 6,000. And 60 into 80, 68 are 4,800. And 60 into 7, okay, 67 are 420. Next number 4 into 100, 400, and 4 into 8, 484 are 320, and 4 7s are 28. Okay, 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 24,000 plus 400, 800, 4,800 plus 320 plus 2,100 plus 420 plus 28. Okay, 68,000. 68. 364 multiply 187 is equal to 68,068. And next number, one more number, 440 into 227. Okay, so 400 into 200, 80,000. 400 into 20, 8,000. 400 into 7, 2,800. And 10 into 200, 2,000. And 10 into 20, 200. And 10 into 7 are 70. Next number 200 into 4, 800. And 20 into 4 are 80. And 4 7s are 28. 80,000 plus 8,000 plus 2,800 plus 2,000 plus 800 plus 200 plus 80 plus 70 plus 28. The answer is 93,978. Okay. 440 into 227 equal to 93,978. These all the sums write in your maths notebook. Next sum we will do the next class. Thank you.